Here we have one of our 427s, 575 horsepower small block Chevrolets. This motor we built for a customer. You might have seen that went in the T-bucket. He's elected to put some monster 632 into it, and so he sold this customer motor here to a gentleman over in Dubai. He's got a couple cars here. We're going to install the motor when we're done dyno. We went ahead and took the tunnel ram off and put a March kit on it. So basically right now just warming it up, relashed it, and we're going to go ahead and button her back up, make some dyno pulls on it. Very nice motor. It's got AFR cylinder heads, dart block, 4340 crank, HPM rod, J&E pistons. Real nice setup. So we'll go ahead and button her up and make some pulls.